Hi there, welcome to bitesizedblender.com. This short tutorial is going to cover the basics of 3D. The basics of 3D is going to be non-Blender specific. It's about how a 3D application works, and it's about how you achieve rendered results. In a 3D environment, such as the one we have in front of us, we can zoom in Blender using the scroll wheel, and we have in Blender the default cube. We can depress the scroll wheel and actually drag around the environment, and we have a 3D viewport. Blender uses the three different colors here. We have a green arrow representing the y-axis, a red arrow the x, and a blue arrow the z-axis. The main things about a 3D object are always going to be its properties. If I hit tab, I'm now in edit mode, and if I hit A, which means I'm unselecting all of the vertices, I can now choose between whether I want to, down here, select a vertex, an edge, which is two vertices joined, or a face. So imagine I wanted to just take a point in space, so I'll choose a vertex, and I right click on a point. I can then use the G key to grab it, and I can move it around in space. Likewise, I could also choose, okay, I want to choose a line, and I can right select a line, and I can G to grab it, and then I can move it. Now of course, if I grab a line, it's going to grab all of the related vertices that are with it. So left mouse, and I've released it. Again, likewise, I can choose the face select mode and right select on one of these dots, and now I've selected the entire face, and I can grab it, G for grab, and now I can move the face around. Great stuff. If I tab back out of edit mode, I've still got my object here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to delete it, and Shift A to re-add it, Shift A, and I'm going to add in a mesh and the cube. That'll just get me straight back to where I was. Various other things, you don't have to G to grab, you can also use things like E to extrude. So if I chose tab to edit mode, and I choose my face select, A to unselect everything, and then right click that top face, I can choose E to extrude, and now I can actually drag that up. And then for instance I could use S to scale, and I could actually scale that up, E to extrude, S to scale, or R to rotate, and various different actions. Blender works on all of the normal premises that you have a 3-axis system, an X, a Y, and always your Z. The good thing is that Blender incorporates this down in the bottom left here, so you always know which axis you're working in. So if I now press, let's say 7 to look from the top view, it's now translated this to my Y and my X axis, so I know that my Z axis is actually vertically down. And if I chose a 3 for my right perspective, again I know my Z is up and down, my Y is my green, so obviously my X is away from me. These are always the basics. These are what Blender uses and various other programs 3D Studio, for example, they all use the same axes, and these are what we use in Blender. Thank you for watching this short tutorial, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.